especially their serve. I think that is what really caused that breakaway early on the first set. At yung reception naman ng Sandugo, that's a culprit.
It's
Oh!
question at this point, but for Timol again, very lethal.
Alam mo, Dan,
Attack.
if you're a spiker at nakita mong walang blocker sa harap
Oo
mo,
naman.
ididikdik mo talaga,
Oo,
di ba?
because alam mo na unang-una pag walang block, nag-iiba rin yung formation ng depensa sa
Yeah.
likod.
Bautista, Topsy. Oh, that corner has been the weak link in the defense of Cagayan Valley. 12, serving 17.
That one, sailing out.
Good read by Chua Lim. The MVP, Sandra De Los Santos, with a serve.
Another good
Ayun na naman yung serve.
lakas ng serve eh. May karga.
Sabino had to reach out with the left to get a touch. Andaya again. This time back set. Juan Pimol with a drop that gets them the point.
Neno Taiwan with a touch.
Coach Mike Rafael hindi mapakali sa tuwa.
Why not?
May ganun pala ng Coach Roger. Let's listen in.
Parang first time tayo nag-champion. Hindi tayo pinanalo kung hindi tayo makareceive. Kailangan receivean nyo yan. Hindi tayo makaka-atake. Tapos tingnan nyo yung blocking ng spider nyo. Kung pwesto ko sa mga yun. Kapag yung maligid dito, Jill, pag wala tayong receive, tatakbo kay Jeng. Dalawa na kaagad yung blocker ni Jeng dyan.
Alright, again, the volleyball invasion of your Shakey's Open. For every 500 peso food purchase at any one of the 21 branches of Shakey's in Metro Manila and Makati, you get a free ticket into the finals here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. So, go and to your Shakey's, nearest Shakey's restaurant to get your free ticket into the finals of your Shakey's V-League Open Conference.
Take a look at that attack once again from Jeng. So much power and very good angle as well. Really avoiding the blockers of CBRS.
Free ball for Nen.
Oh, did you see Nen talaga after getting that point? Nag-enjoy si Nen dun sa point na yun.
Yun ang maganda dun. Pagka mayroon kang isang 6'3 na nasa gitna, walang tatawid na bola dyan.
Oh, that set was too high.
Oh! Jem Guli came out of nowhere. Ito, apat na lang yan lamang, 15-19. It is Mike Rafael calling this timeout. Let's listen in.
Ilan ang spider natin sa unahan? Tatlo ang spider natin. Lahat na matitibay. Kailangan natin tumungtong muna ng ano. Ha? Kunin natin ba? Sunod na unahan. Ito lang ka. Kasi ang blocker doon, 50 ba ang blocker?
Let's look at the previous play. Ito yung binigay na set, combination, lahat pababa na.
Oh.
Pataas pa si Jeng. A clear path for Jeng Buli. 15 serving 19. Oy!
Sailing out again. A lot of service errors being committed here by Sandugo San Sebastian.
That really hurts. You're making a run. Ang ganda nung linalaro and then you just throw away a point with a serve.
Pero yung combination play nila, I'd like to credit that point actually to Rhea Di Maculangan for calling out and implementing a good play.
Good save, but Coach Jill Busilo cannot be at two places
At the same
time. Kailangan may mag-cover dun sa likod. Dahil si Jill from the back, dumive hanggang dito sa harap eh.
Chua Lim just with presence of mind, knowing that walang depensa dun sa corner na yun.
Ano bang subject yun? Yung cannot be at two places at the same time. Yung mass matter ba yun? Off the block, kept alive by Bautista. Ganda ng depensa ng ano. Cagayan Valley. Rubino!
That one is out.
Just missed the line by a couple of inches. Shakey's, if it's fun, a family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nen Utaywan with a serve. Nako!
Something is, I don't know, something's probably up here on that side of the court. Lahat ng halos ng service na nagagaling outside.
And itong Cagayan Valley is just having a field day or a free pass in this first set with all those give me points.
Oo.
From the service errors of Sandugo. Ito, two-man substitution. Cabriana and
Manzano.
Jen Manzano.
Of course, ang gusto ni Coach Mike dito is to really maximize his blockers. So, 3 attackers, 3 blockers in front.
Ooh! Chulim. That's the block. Eh, Manzano, Tubino, and Chulim. That's a tough 3-man block to face.
Powers.
23-16. This is a surprising first set. Gunella, the best receiver of the conference.
Blocked, but good coverage by Castillo.
Gunella's right there. Cabriana to Manzano, off the block. Nakalusot. They go back to Jeng, who's gonna drop it. Chualim is right there. Chualim. Oh, that's too low for Tubino, but she makes the adjustment.
Net violation called on
Manzano.
Tubino.
Oh, Tubino. I should say.
Manzano, rather. Yun yung mga sayang din. But again, itong CBRS, although they have a comfortable lead, mahirap pa rin na padikitin itong Sandugo, San Sebastian.
Muntik pang sumabit. Manzano cross court. Rhea to Benting. Through the block. Chualim.
Chualim with so much power on that attack.
Grabe yung Chualim.
Yung braso tsaka yung power talaga.
Not minding the double block on her. It is now set point for CBRS.
Ito yung klase ng finals game talaga. You can feel the intensity from both teams.
Joy Casas with a good save. Chualim again. This one is too long. She knew it. Alam niya, she didn't get the right elevation for the hit. Good serve from Rhea. Dionella's right there. Dionella is the best digger. And rightfully so, and Lucilo. Good defense on Chualim. Mababa yun para kay Sandra. Outside.
That one is out.
Wow. What a first set for Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. I believe itong San Sebastian did even have a taste of the lead.
That's right. The shaky shake and play here. Look at this attack from Chualim.
All right. First set is over. 25-18. Cagayan Valley in control. We'll be right back.